Ikea bike night for the sporters. You got some cruisers too, but you know, it's a sport bike life, sport bike world. Resurgency. The resurgency. Ain't that right? The sport bike resurgency, huh? Huh, Hurricane? Sport bike resurgency.
Man, I want to join the club, but I got to do some jumping jacks. Yeah, I'll be there.
All right. Sport bike resurgency. Then we got the Gunners of Girls. The Gunners of Girls. What's up, women?
How are you? How are you?
I'm chilling. Just getting my footage. Oh man, I didn't even record that. All right, I messed up my recording. So let me start over again. I was saying this is now the Wawa meetup. You know, because the Wawa meetup because they ran us out of Ikea. You know. What's up, woman? Chilling. Getting my footage in. What's going on? All right, what's going on, fellas? What's going on? Wasn't even gonna bring a camera out today. Back to these G's and G's. Greek Nick, what's up, sir? Full leather out. Uh-oh. Glad I wore my leathers. I know, right? Nah. What's up, sir?
What's going on, folks?
Uh-oh. Them boys are back in town. Oh, snap. This is supposed to have been a chill one. I'm glad I leathered up. Got the dead cows on. Anxiety. Got all these hitters out here. Jeez Louise. Look at this. You see this? And I personally know. Hit. Hard hitters. Hit. It's like some of the cream of the crop. Man, it's supposed to have been a chill day.
Are you feeling mighty? Yeah! Come on. We got this. One more time.
No, don't scare me like this.
Are you feeling mighty?
Yeah!
We'll take it. All right, thank you guys for coming with great might and power.
Man, I ain't signed up for this today. I ain't signed up for this today. I ain't signed up for all this today. You see this? You see that fool? I ain't signed up for this today. I thought we were chilling. It's our Ikea ride. We're supposed to be chilling. I ain't signed up for this. I ain't signed up for this, Chris. I ain't signed up for this. All right, let's get it, fellas. Hit them throttles. Wait a minute, let me get some footage here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I think I'll be chilling.
I get it.
Yo.
Woo, Les, you would have loved that ride.
Loved it.
You would have loved that ride.
Y'all was probably splitting cars all the way every time I
Crazy. I want to see the footage on that.
Oh, who you telling, man? We was probably busting.
Y'all.
We were in the 170s, 180s.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Guess what? I'd have been like this.
I said, Lance would have loved this joint. Loved it. But yeah, I got some nice flybys by him. Look at this, my GR boys right there. My GR boy, he don't got his vest on, but this the GR boys right here. We got the highway bullies right there. Got more GR boys right here. You know. We got the Gunner girls. Woo! Girl, that ride. Woo!
Shut up.
Woo!
Well, bro, and I got it.
I got video. Woo! Huh?
Your battery lasted. Mine's died quick.
Mine's don't die quick. Well, it's hers. Well, you got an X what?
I got the X1.
Cable 400 coming up. Woo! When I say that ride, y'all, that ride up was the thing. Y'all all over the parking lot. That ride up.
I ain't the sky never lie.
Never lie.
Roll that tape. Yeah, I know we got table with the whole squad down here. Yeah. I just got your table. PZ. Excuse me.
They said that